Welcome friends, in this video let's learn about environment, ecology and ecosystem. So first, the ecology. Ecology is the scientific study of reciprocal relationship between organisms with their environment. So ecology is a scientific study. It is a scientific study of relationship between the organism, that is the biotic component of the ecology, with their environment. Okay, so this is a branch of science. It is an interdisciplinary field, includes both biology and earth sciences. Okay. The next is environment. Environment is the biotic and abiotic surrounding of an organism and consequently includes the factors that have an influence in their survival, development and evolution. So environment is basically a surrounding of an organism, that is surrounding of an organism. It includes both biotic and abiotic components. The biotic components are the living components of the ecosystem, environment. This includes green plants, animals, man, parasites, microbes, and all the living things. Abiotic components includes radiation, energy, water, soil, fire, and all those non-living materials are called abiotic, that is without life, abiotic components. So environment is the surrounding of an organism which influence the survival, development and evolution of the organism. Here, if you see the picture, here the biotic components are the frog, the plants and insects in the water, and abiotic components are water, sunlight, inorganic components that are present in the water. These are the abiotic components. Okay, this is the environment. So the next thing is ecosystem. Ecosystem is defined as the structural and functional unit of biosphere, consisting of community of living beings and the physical environment, both interacting and exchanging materials between them. So ecosystem is a unit of biosphere. We all know that Earth has been divided into four spheres, that is biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Biosphere is the area where the living organisms are present. Okay, it is a part of ecosystem, is a functional unit of biosphere consisting of both living beings and physical environment. And main thing here is its interaction between the physical world and the living beings constitute the ecosystem. Okay, so finally, the difference between these two terms is ecology is a branch of science. It is an interdisciplinary study of earth science and biology. It is a scientific study. So ecosystem is an unit of biosphere. Environment is the surrounding, that is biotic and abiotic surrounding of an organism. I hope I cleared your doubts regarding these three terms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and the next video will be the levels of organization in ecology.